Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Facebook page. Today in this session of Facebook page, I will show you that how you can increase your Facebook page likes. Okay, so here you have to do that. You have to first open up your Facebook account. Okay, you can see that I have a list of pages over here at my left hand side. Your shortcuts. It's a new layout of Facebook. See, it's a page of mine named Asansol Medical Hub. Then if I want to increase the reach of this page, reach means the number of people who have connected with your page, so that whenever you're going to share any updates, those updates will be available to all those people who are already liked your page. Here you get an option of promote option is there. See, this time Facebook has been changed a lot. Facebook have been changing things day by day, and it's not something critical. See, in this page 130 people have already liked it, 131 people following this. Okay, this is a website, this is a official address, and this is a page description. So if I want to increase the reach of this page, how can I do it? The most simple way of doing this is to do through Facebook advertisement, means Facebook Ads Manager. And how you can do it? Let me show you the simplest tricks and strategies by help of which you can basically increase your page reach and page likes as well. So I will go over here first. This plus icon you can see. I will click on add. Once I click on this add, see something, I will click on this add, go over there looking for advanced tool, go to ads manager. Once you click here, you will be redirected to this advanced manager of Facebook over here. Here what you will be doing, you will be creating option on create. You will be using options like it's a new create new campaign. It will be engagements. Within engagement you have to select page likes. Remember, this is the most important step. Within engagements you have to select page likes, because you don't want to increase your brand awareness. You don't want people to reach you. You want page likes, the very first thing, page likes. So select on page likes. Here you have name your campaign. You can give your name as it is optional. I'm leaving it for the time being. You can continue. Now the entire layout will open. The campaign name is something known as new campaign. You can change it as per your wish. Special ad categories. If you have a special ad category including social issues, elections, or politics, you can add a category. Otherwise, you can just leave it as if it is. Buying type is auction. Page campaign objective is page likes only. Then let it be as if it is. Click on next. Don't have to do anything over here. For this, you must have a Facebook page. To increase the like of Facebook page, it's quite obvious that you must have a Facebook page. So here I have selected some of my pages. It's Asansol Medical Hub. I've selected over here. Okay. Daily budget, I will keep as rupees suppose 500. Total budget if I'm selecting lifetime budget, I will click on 500 rupees only. It is lower. I will decrease its start and end date. It is 25th September today. See what I have done. Lifetime budget I have selected as rupees 500 rupees only, and start date is today and end is on 30/9/2020. My recommendation to each and every fresher in Facebook ads is to keep the lifetime budget smaller, so that if you are investing less, you will see some results as well. It will increase your confidence. So as a beginner, in the your budget should be less. You can increase it as well, but it's my recommendation that as a beginner of in the Facebook ad section, you can keep your budget less. It's a lifetime budget. Now it comes to audience. You can create your audience. It's a very simple step of creating audience. In my previous videos also I have said. Suppose you want to select people of, or suppose it's my city. I want to select people of only of Asansol. Uh, it is there. See, Asansol, West Bengal, India. I have selected over here. Then in this season only this ads will run. That will attract the people to click on my page as well. I can, next steps is I can change the age, gender I can change, detailed targeting. Now this is one more important step. For your page, I will not tell you to go for a narrow perspective. Narrow perspective in the sense that don't add too much interest, so that the reach of your page will be less. Didn't understood? Suppose I am targeting such type of audiences which are less in number. In that case, my Facebook page likes will be less. So I will recommend every one of you not to go for narrow targeting. Go for broad targeting. Still, suppose it is regarding medical. My website was regarding a medical website. I selected medical over here. Let's see if a recommendation is there. It's medical diagnosis, medical school. Suppose medical diagnosis. Then see suggestions. Suggestions are there. suggestions was demographics. Again, I want to add something. You can add, but I will tell you again that to leave it as if it is means to add less demographics. Interest should be less so that your page reach will not be narrow. Your page reach should not be narrow. Please remember this thing. Your page reach should not be narrow. Then come down. It's let it be as if it is. You can automatic placements means it will be shown in Facebook, in Messenger stories, in Instagram stories, as well in Instagram feed also. Everything everywhere it will be shown, or you can select the manual placements also. If you want that your ads to be shown only in some of the platforms, you can select from here. Otherwise I will keep it as automatic placement, which is recommended. Then cost control optional. You can select the cost control, or you can let it be like this. See, optimization for ad delivery means of why the ads to be delivered. It will deliver for page likes. Okay, and show more options. Let's see what is here. When you are charged, when there is an impression, when there is a like, then only you are being charged. Click on then next. After selecting on next, it's your ad name. You can change it. You can select a page at the ad set level. It's already selected. You can see Asansol Medical Hub. Then come down. You can change an image. You can select an image. I have uploaded some part of the images over here. I will select any of this. Otherwise, you can select upload a new image also by selecting on this here. This is the upload image section will come. You can upload from here. Otherwise, I have already uploaded some of the pictures. I will just click on it. I will click on continue. So primary text must be very nice. Remember, it must be encouraging for people to attract over here. Suppose it's a medical website. So uh, suppose I've written feeling unsafe during COVID. Feeling unsafe during COVID. Contact us to get doctor's information. I've given this primary text so that it will attract the people. That so your text must be something like this, now that will attract people. Suppose you have a sports page, you can write that like that. Ki Virat Kohli is the best batsman of India. Like if you agree, this sort of this type of text motivates people to click. It is something like this. This one will be shown in Facebook, and this one most probably shown in Instagram as well. So you can not in Instagram, it's of Facebook market Facebook play page. It's on two feeds are there, two placements. One is in feeds and one is in marketplace. So these are the two types of ads that will be shown in your page as well of your page. Then come down and here you are good to go. Click on publish. After clicking on publish, you have to pay your details about your bank ID and everything, and your ads will be running on Facebook. So one of the most important thing, let's recapitulate once again. It's the new campaign that I have created. It's a new ad set. New ad set was the name. Budget, I have told you to select less, so that if you are selecting less amount of budget, it will increase confidence among you that no, if I have invested less also, then also some Facebook likes are coming on my page. It will motivate you. So in the initial stages, select a less budget. Then you come down location, you can give as per your choices. But I will tell you, for a broad marketing, I have selected only my city over here. If you have a global page, suppose a page of digital marketing, a page of some related to sports, keep it only as India. Don't select a particular city, so that it will lead you to get a more number of Facebook page likes. These ads, genders, and detail targeting, again the same thing, that don't go for narrow targeting. Don't go for narrow targeting. Always go for a broad targeting. So this is where all the steps by help of which we have created ads for increasing the Facebook pages likes. I hope that you have liked this video. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.